Alright guys, I took the bait. I had to see what all this Temu hype was about. Ordered about $25 worth of stuff. Just curious to see if any of it is decent for the money. Doesn't look bad. Box is a little smushed. Couple sprockets. Some fuel line. Billet aluminum gas cap. See what the quality looks like on this. Decent, if it fits. Can't beat it for $1, right? So, as I expected, it's not the greatest fit. It seems like the threads maybe are a little clogged on these. They don't want to quite screw all the way down, but maybe with time it'll wear that stuff out of the threads and they'll go in. Still look pretty dope. Gas cap I got for this bike here. Seems to fit perfect. Really no complaints about this thing. Looks great. Works like it should. Good fit. Got this fuel line to match my bike. Pretty sweet. I didn't really need the filter or the petcock, but I got it anyway, so I mean for like $1.50 I can use it on another bike or some other project. I wanted to drop a couple teeth on the front sprocket, which I'll have to give an update on, you know, this thing after I actually put it on and ride it, but looks like it's gonna fit. Seems pretty good. No imperfections or anything that I've seen right off the bat. And this was like $2, guys. $2. I mean, no complaints here. I also picked up this little phone holder mount contraption deal, but I don't know, this thing seems a little cheap, kind of flimsy. It's really in too awkward of a shape. I think this would probably be one thing I'll end up repurposing for something else. Probably not going to use this on my bike, but it was worth a shot for like $4.50. You win some, you lose some, right? I picked up a 100-piece assortment of these little gadgets. If you're like me and you work on stuff where these little annoying things always break, and you never have enough of them. So for like $3, yeah. And if you're in a hurry for your Temu order, don't be, because it took me 13 days, almost 2 weeks to get this little bit of stuff. So yeah, their shipping is not fast. But yeah, guys, overall rating of Temu, not terrible quality stuff. I mean, for the money, it's, you know, it's cheap. Some of it's obviously cheaply made, but it's one of those deals, you get what you pay for in life, right? And I mean, for something, you know, like this for like $1.50 is awesome. This for like $4.50, not so much. Definitely wouldn't buy this again. This, yeah. This, yeah. I mean, for some smaller, cheaper items, it's perfect. On their bigger stuff, sometimes it's worth it to just spend a little more money.